History of operation research. The origin and development of operation research can be classified according to certain historical events. And in this event, the first topmost part is World War II. The second is computer era and uncertainty model, means inclusion of uncertainty model. According to the first part, World War II, during the World War II, the effective utilization of scarce resources by the Britain military was the first and topmost concern of the military forces. So they are trying to use a scientific approach यूज करना चाहते थे in different fields were jointly directed to the research on military operations for improving its effectiveness with the limited resources. Okay, so this was before World War II also, and after World War II, the industries in America and the Britain concerned in applying the operation research methodologies to industrial problems for maximization the probability of maximum output in minimum resources. Okay, so this was actually World War II was during 1939, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 and so on. So and post World War was during 47, 52, 53, 54 like this, 1952, 1953 and so on. So during World War II it was also hugely used. Okay, now after the World War, the modern era come, and that is called the computer era. Actually, maximum or operation research techniques involve complex computation, and hence they take longer time for providing solutions to real life problems. So to come out with this longer time solutions, they uses actually operation research. Okay, so during the computer era, the development of recent interactive computers make the job of solving large size problems even more simple because of the human involvement towards sensitivity analysis. And the last is the part is the inclusion of uncertainty models. The use of probability theory and statistics to take undeterministic situation made the operation research technique more realistic, because those undeterministic solutions cannot be solved without the use of the operation research, and we cannot come up to a certain conclusion. So we uses uncertainty model. In case of the uncertainty model, uses operation research to come out the